it's me Namrata and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with yet another lipstick review video, and this time I'm gonna review these lipsticks from Maybelline. These are Maybelline's sensational liquid matte lipsticks, and I know that these lipsticks were launched quite a while back, around I think 5 or 6 months हो गए जब ये launch हुए थे. But actually I get all the lipstick from my own money, so I don't get all of them in a bunch. Initially I pick out 1 or 2 shades and मैं उसको अच्छे से try करती हूँ, and then उसके बाद if I like the shade and everything, then only I purchase some another lipstick from that range. So that is why I am little bit late, but yes, it's okay. These lipsticks are priced at rupees 350, which is quite decent because 350 is a very fair amount. And अगर आप इसकी quantity भी देखोगे तो the quantity is also very good, unlike the Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, जो कि मैंने already review करा हुआ है, and I will link it, and आप please उसे देखना and you will get to know कि what I am talking about. So this range has got very amazing, beautiful 11 different shades that will suit our Indian skin tone. So now let's talk about the packaging of these lipsticks. So ये lipstick किसी भी kind of cardboard packaging या किसी और container में नहीं आती है. Just you have got a transparent film, and when you remove it, you will lose every information about this lipstick, even कितने ml है या क्या है, every information is written on that transparent film. उसके अलावा you don't have any other info printed apart from the name of the lipstick, and at the bottom you will also get a sticker pasted, and जिसमें बहुत ही छोटे छोटे font में shade का नाम लिखा हुआ है. So as I said, these lipsticks are color coordinated and you get a black cap, so the packaging looks quite decent, and I can say like कि इन्हें देखने में लग जाता है कि these are coming from a good brand, that is Maybelline. So now when I open this lipstick, this is how the applicator look. It is a very decent looking doe foot applicator, and it's quite bushy. So the shape of the applicator is very good. You can see that it has got a pointy edge, so you can easily line your lips out and even reach to the corner of your lips. And if you dip this applicator once, you will get enough lipstick to cover your entire lips. So now let's swatch these lipsticks so that you guys can see the pigmentation. So आप देख सकते हो कि even I have very little product, it is giving its complete pigmentation. So the pigmentation of these lipsticks are amazing. कोई भी शेड ले लो, that is very pigmented. If you have got very pigmented lips, then also even by applying a single layer, your lips will be all covered, and it takes around 2 to 3 minutes, I would say, to completely dry into a powder matte texture. And once these lipsticks are completely dried, it will give you a very matte looking lips. It does not have any kind of sheen to it and looks very beautiful on the lips. So I truly love the pigmentation and the texture. The texture is also very runny. Even if this lipstick is a complete matte, it is very comfortable on your lips. Just you have to apply little bit of lip balm inside so that कि वो और ज़्यादा comfortable हो. Even though मैंने बिना lip balm के भी लगा के देखा हुआ है, then also it was very comfortable and मुझे कोई भी problem नहीं हो रही थी lipstick या बहुत ही ज़्यादा stressed out lips मेरे नहीं feel कर रहे थे. So now talking about the staying power of these lipsticks. So I think they stay for good 4 to 5 hours on my lips, and they are transfer proof. ये उतनी जल्दी ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है. अगर आप कोई चीज़ को ऐसे नॉर्मली किस करोगे तो it doesn't come out, but if you drink or eat something very oily या थोड़ा सा slippery टाइप का, then it starts to fade और थोड़े से क्रम्बली सा आपको अपने लिप्स पे फील होने लगेगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर आप इसको री अप्लाई कर रहे हो ये लिपस्टिक को, सो मेक श्योर कि यू रिमूव द फर्स्ट लेयर एंड देन री अप्लाई, तभी जाके यू विल फील मोर कंफर्टेबल. अदरवाइज बहुत ऐसे फ्लेकी से आपके लिप्स दिखेंगे. इन लिपस्टिक को रिमूव करना इज ऑल्सो वेरी ईजी. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक अ मेकअप रिमूविंग वाइप एंड जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ, और एल्स यू कैन अप्लाई सम coconut oil on your lips, rub it off, and ये completely निकल जाते हैं. And it does not leave any kind of tint onto your lips, which is good because sometimes आप नहीं चाहते कि when you come from somewhere and wash your lips तो आपके lips वैसे tint से दिखे. I could stay like this, forever following you.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here and love. Let's stay here, let's stay here and love.
Guys, those were all the swatches, and I truly love these lipsticks. Packaging wise, pigmentation wise, even staying power is also very decent. So what I will suggest that yes, you should definitely go and buy at least one shade from this range, and my favorite shade is Made Easy. That looks very beautiful. अगर कोई भी skin tone है, this will look very beautiful on your lips. So yes, comment down and let me know how do you like the swatches और मेरे reviews तुम्हें कैसे लगे. And yes, with that, let's end this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till the time, take care, bye.